Getting some chon chon. Do you have the gas mask? Y'all rocking the gas mask?
I'm going ballistic mask because I don't want to get headshot immediately down and then have to watch the entire game.
Fuck. Go, go, go!
Hands on your head, now! LSPD! Hands up! Down on your knees! Get on the ground, now! Hands on your head! Do it now! Put your hands up! Hands up!
How is everyone?
Spread your fingers!
What did you say?
Spread your fingers.
Was it locked?
Yep. I'm unlocking right now.
Nobody outside.
Put
Ready
your
to go.
fucking hands up!
Oh, there's someone over there. To the left.
Hands up, now! Put your hands up! Down on your knees!
Where's everybody?
I went around the corner.
I'm fixing my audio. This shit was like bugged out.
My arms are
Oh my
fucked.
god. You good, bro?
Oh my god. He was holding a civilian.
Not the civilians, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Come out slowly!
Civilian is held at the top. So show me the palms of your hands.
We're ready.
Georgie boy.
Hands up! LSPD, don't move!
Don't move.
A fat finger that shit.
Ooh, there's someone watching this. They're just holding this ankle.
This is Talk. Proceed with mission.
You said there's somebody behind that door for you?
Yeah, there's a guy where I'm looking right now. He's just holding a gun, watching that angle.
Hands up! Do it now! Get down on your knees!
What the fuck? What the fuck? What
the
the
hell?
fuck? You guys almost killed me.
He's spraying and like running.
Talk to entry. Trailers incoming.
Hands on
Proceed
your
with
head!
caution.
Move! Get down on the floor right now! Drop the weapon and put your hands on your hands up! Stop now! Asshole, now! Police, you're under arrest! Don't move!
Entry team to talk. Suspect is down.
Talk.
10.
Notifying medical.
Police, hands up!
Door locked.
Gotta reload!
Wait, he won't go down. Die.
No way out!
I got him. Oh my god, move.
Oh my
Oh
god.
shit.
Why? There's nobody in here.
Yeah, I got him. Dead.
Police, get down!
Talk to lead. Proceed with mission.
Get down now!
Down.
Get down! Keep your hands up and get on the arms out. Hands up high.
I was like, they have someone hostage. Careful.
There's enough red tape as is. Control yourself. I have to do this.
I just shot a civilian. She
I
pulled a
know.
phone
I
out.
s-
Don't resist.
She pulled a phone out. I thought he was gonna fucking pull a shakeout to the Reddit.
Lead, this is Talk. Great
We're
work.
gonna lose our
entry team.
jobs,
Keep it up.
bro.
She started recording
Put your
me.
hands
No,
up.
no, she got me in 4K shooting
Put your
her.
hands up and get down.
And on the 4K.
For God's sake, there's children here!
There's more. Yeah, there's more rooms we haven't cleared. Should I open both of these doors?
Oh, let me check it.
All right.
Oh, we've already been in there. We're good.
All right.
Upstairs?
Yeah, let's check that.
A flashbang.
Get down. Police, hands up. You're shitting me.
You have the right to remain silent.
Oh, this motherfucker floating.
Ready to go.
Son of a bitch.
Entry team talk. Secure.
Element, this is Talk. Continue
Get
mission.
down. Come out. I got some value as all. You came in here with guns.
Element to talk. We got
Talk
that
to Element.
suspect here.
Notifying Tim.
The peekaboo. Behind! Oh no! You turn around right as he was coming up.
It's just you left, Skull.
Put your hands up now.
Raul! This is about to 1v1 him like it's on Showdown.
Where'd he go? He scared me, bro. He ran away. I don't know where he
It's not giving you yet. Clutch it up, bro. You
You
got this.
gotta report the dead officers, though.
Talk.
Talk to Element.
We need backup.
There's two dead, yeah.
We need a tent right now.
Home. Holy shit, tell him back to the lobby, right?
DMTs.
Back to the lobby, baby.
Let's go.
Lead, this is Talk. To say that this mission was a goat fuck is an understatement. The situation is under control.
Good
but
shit.
some-
Oh wait, we failed. Rescue all
What are you
civilians.
doing?
I think we did it, no? 2 out of 3 objectives? That's good for me.
Oh. That's
We gotta,
not good.
we gotta eat. It counts.
No, it doesn't, bro.
All the bad guys were down. You know, we just didn't secure the evidence. We didn't get all the civilians. You know, it's fine. It's fine. This people might get shot.
Move over here.
Well, I could tell him to move over.
Turn around and
Down on the
we've got
ground
this under
now.
control.
I could just shoot him.
Element to talk. Civilian
Talk to
captain
lead.
prep for evac.
Police, get down. Arms down. Put your hands up and get down. Get down.
Where's that real quick?
Down and don't move.
Oh, shooting going on inside.
Don't take me. I'm good to go. This is all a big talk.
Talk to entry team. We're ready.
Throw
I'm gonna.
throw flashbang.
Where I have a grenade launcher for
Here?
the flashbang.
I'm not saying.
Alright, go.
He's going down.
Put the weapon down. Drop the weapon and get down. Hands up. That's it. Police, don't fucking move. Drop your weapons.
Drop the gun!
Hands up, asshole. Now. I'm giving up. Turn around slowly.
Do you have anything else in your pockets? Cooperation will make this easier. Suspect detained.
mistake.
Oh no, are they selling little kids, bro?
Please stop.
Is that what's going on?
Someone there?
Are you? Oh, there's one guy in there.
Talk here. Notifying Temp.
You just sprayed me all over the fucking place.
Someone must have made a prank call to you guys.
Leave the dock. One down.
Talk to Element. Proceed with your mission.
Police, hands up!
Turn around.
Suspect cuffed and secured.
Lead to dock.
Talk here.
In custody.
Trailers notified.
Element to dock. Threat is
Talk
down.
to Element. Proceed with mission.
Got him.
Shit.
Hands up!
I don't know about anything.
Get down
All right,
now!
move.
LSPD, don't move! We're gonna get you out
Good
of here.
shit. Good shit. I already took out the two guys in here.
Talk reporting. Send them.
Get down! Get down and put your hands up! Put your hands up now!
Okay.
If the toilet paper is missing, use napkins instead.
Got 12. Up the stairs, boys.
Oh, we're going up. There's other doors here.
Oh.
Oh
Like,
yeah, let's clear bottom floor before.
I'm not gonna
Oh,
do
shit.
anything.
Oh, it's the girl getting trafficked.
Who are you?
Like prostitution, pretty much.
LSPD, we're getting you out of here.
I'm here to get my money. That's all.
Leave, talk.
This is Talk. Trailers notified.
Okay, this is good.
Get on the ground now!
Go up
Police,
the
get down
stairs
now!
Do we
Big
want
area.
to flash this or? Let me pick it.
Yeah, I can flash it. I got the flash grenade launcher.
There is a guy up here to the left. He's watching the doorway.
I could throw gas in there.
Police, don't move! Put your hands Get down now!
LSPD, don't move!
Drop the weapon and put your hands up! Drop the weapon!
Oh, he downed me! He would not drop the weapon. Crazy. I should have just downed his dumb.
These ain't coming off.
That's why we always shoot.
No, no, I don't know about that.
Proceed with mission.
Talk. Suspect secured.
I don't know about that, bro.
Oh, I can secure your gun.
I only had 2 bullets in the chamber, dude. I should have just shot his ass.
You should just tase his ass. Just tase him. You're down.
Entry team, this is Talk.
Oh, you're right. I
Notifying Temp.
forget, dude. I forget I have a taser.
Look, rise in his fucking mouth, and they don't complain.
Okay. It's just the civilians left. He was the last one.
He had a weapon though, that guy.
Yeah, but I had him flashback. This dude was blind for like 2 seconds, not putting the gun down.
What am I doing?
Fuck him.
You know what? You know what? I should have shot him as soon as I heard him say he's not going back. He was like, saying he's never going back.
All right, man, I got you. One-way ticket it is.
I'm gonna just look for this last civilian.
That should have been the warning that, hey, this guy isn't to be fucked with. He ain't trying to go back. He ain't gonna go back. Unless you tase his ass or some shit.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Get down on your knees.
Show me the palms of your hands.
Hands on your head.
Raise your hands.
Is there a running button like to run, or is it just like
LSPD.
regular? You just always run.
Nothing except a simple talent
I think-
agency.
I think you might go a little faster if you like hold your gun like this.
What am I doing?
It looks like you're running.
Yeah.
Where the hell is this person, bro?
Police, hands up.
No, no.
LSPD, hands up.
Damn knees now.
Oh, there he is.
Hands up. Down on your knees.
Oh, he was by the trash can.
See those hands?
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
He said turn around.
Lead to dock. Entry Jason, this is dock. And ready for transport.
Good job, man.
We still gotta eat.
No.
Because I died.
No.
Never mind, that's
Fucking
personal
A.
best.
That's a
I'm looking at
personal.
personal best. Yeah, remember.
I got an A.
I like how we get a passing grade if someone dies.
Like, you know what?
job,
Shit happens.
officers.
Shit happens in the field, guys. You know. I'm sorry your friend died, but hey, you got the job done. Yeehaw.
Did you guys kill the guy who killed me, or did he go down? You know,
No,
you guys-
no, we didn't kill him.
he
He
went
surrendered?
down. Oh, or wait, did we kill him?
And I think
No, you killed
in
him.
the heat of the moment, yeah, like I
I
just
was gonna
shot
say
him
you
in the
guys should-
arm and he died.
I was gonna say you guys should put a gun on him. Plant the gun on him.
Fucking
Actually, he's
gun
already
him
home.
down.
Yeah, just gun his dumb ass down, bro.
Make sure you have enough
have to.
ammo, bro. I've seen that you have like 4 different weapons. I only have like 2 or 3.
I only have 2. I have the grenade launcher and the pistol, and the breach shotgun. But the shotgun is just for
Oh.
breaching doors. It's not for going in and killing people. Should I change the setup? Is that what you're saying?
I mean, it's up to you, bro. I don't know what you have. I don't know how this game works 100%.
Yeah, I'll go tactical shield. You guys stand behind me.
Oh shit. Wait, hold on. What else do you guys have in here?
Somebody get the battering ram.
Oh, I'll be down. Oh, I have the flash, the tactical M320 flash. You said the battering ram, right? Let's fucking knock some doors down. I might have to take a shotgun then. We're gonna be doing that shit.
Chief Alvarez, please hold us. Chief Alvarez, please hold us.
Pepper ball launcher? Ooh. I'm a pepper ball
Which
these
one?
fuckers in the face. The TRPL.
Yeah. There's also a primary gun that you can take that shoots pepper balls. AR and a submachine gun if you wanted.
That doesn't kill them, right? It makes them just like basically
Yeah,
like
no.
pepper spray.
Yeah, it's pepper spray. You might have to hit him a couple times for him to go down, but at some point they will, I guess.
Hell yeah.
Hello, Scrubs. I'm
I got the
Rambo.
setup.
I
I'm
know you were
liking the
glad to
setup.
meet me.
I'm picking up what you're throwing down, bro.
I'm taking the tactical shield. Can you not listen to the media on some of these debriefs? Or
That's
is
what
it
I
only
was
the party
asking
leader?
Forge. Like, I couldn't listen to some of them.
Because
But it
earlier it let me, but
might
now
be
it
my
won't let me.
game.
It works for me.
I think you have to be party leader. But that makes no
You have to
sense
be.
because I was in earlier and they let me do it, but it's not letting me do it now.
Wait, open it up to the audio area.
It won't let me type out, like hit any of the tabs. It's just stuck on that. It's like it's like a frozen screen.
Okay, if it's open, let me know if you can hear this. Like if I click on the mission debrief.
I think we have to be right next to you now.
Can you hear this? Oh, we're gonna start it right near you. No?
No, yeah.
Yes. Oh.
It is what it is. That's just the way she. That's just the way she goes. That's the way she goes.
User.
Officer Turner, please call desk.
Where they at though? Ha ha ha.
What are you looking for?
Where they at? Ha ha.
Well, what are you looking for, man?
Anything. Ha ha ha.
Really now?
Somebody join the
Anything?
game.
You
Somebody
let him
the
join
game.
him?
Not anymore.
Fuck, what happened?
Hey, that shit hurts, huh? The grenade launcher when you're like hurt, if both the arms are fucked up. I was gonna say, whenever I shoot the grenade launcher, I noticed it just kept fucking kept going blurry mode, like I just took a hit. I'm like, damn, bro, this shit packs a punch or some shit.
Ah, shit. Did my loadout save?
It should have, whatever you did.
I was pretty much done. I just need to save the name. Here we go, boys. Wait, what kind of mission is this?
I think some house out in the woods, but they like
Oh,
set traps and stuff.
Oh shit, it's booby trap.
Fucking Home Alone
The trap
type
house.
shit. The trap house.
Suspects are heavily barricaded.
You're
They have
right.
traps in multiple
Home Alone
areas
up in
on
this
site.
bitch.
Make entry. Exercise
Keep
extreme caution.
change.
Okay, you see that, y'all? Come see. Look. I'm gonna peek the door.
Yep,
Oh,
I
crap.
see it.
That's not good.
What
Okay,
happened?
there's a guy in there, but like,
Do you shoot the
there's a little.
civilian?
Oh, okay, listen. If that door opens, we all die. Okay? Do you see that little string right there?
Yup. Oh shit.
That's a bomb.
Just blow it up.
Securing the device. Cover me. Disarming the device.
Okay, it's done.
Hands on your head. Do it now. Damn it. Don't fuck yourself.
My
Oh
back.
hell no, dude! This is a fucking tweaker house. I think it's a cult. It's a motherfucking cult.
Get down. Drop your gun. Hands up now. Drop to your knees.
Turn around and face.
That's me, that's me, that's me, that's me in the next room. Don't kill me.
You just made a big mistake.
Element to talk.
Lead the
Suspect
stock.
here, ready for escort.
Beauty. Keep them coming.
Remember, some of these doors are trapped.
It's this one?
Looks good.
This one's fine. This one's trapped.
Securing the device.
Yeah, damn, fucking trap house, man.
Get down. I want to see hands.
Raise your hand.
I'm not going to jail.
Bro! Let's go!
I'm not going to jail.
He's got a gas mask. The pepper pots weren't doing shit.
Holy shit.
Suspect
Element.
down.
This is talk.
Y'all reported me, right?
No! Oh, I think school did actually.
Sub to earn your freedom for
Right.
that.
Oh, I might have then by accident. Just walking by.
I guess we go down, right? There was like a mine section, like a cave.
Also
Like a
this
basement.
this door.
That's empty. It just cleans outside.
Did you just try and kick it down?
Maybe.
C3.
What if there's a trap on it, bro?
And we go kaboom. Alright, hold on, bro.
Police, get down now.
I won't stay locked up long.
Move the dock. Good to
Doc
go.
here. Forensics notified.
Well, they all got gas masks on. Does that mean the gas the pepper balls don't affect them because they got those fucking shits on.
Probably. He's the shield Ragu.
Judge will come here. What's going on out there? You have every man for himself. It has to be you.
Oh, there's a trap on that door.
I know what kind of man he is. Part of the cycle.
Where's the basement? I guess when there's a basement.
We need to arrest General Scott as well.
Oh, down here.
Where are you going? Pussy!
Where'd you go? Oh,
Hands where I can see him!
There's a downstairs area here.
Police, don't move!
You can't peek on this door. You can only open it. I feel like it's trapped.
you could
should be
peek
able to
through it.
peek it.
Oh, I have to get
It's
close.
locked. There you go, unlocked. No, it's clear. I could throw gas in there. Oh. Wait, they have the gas mask though.
Oh, he's down. Yo. Oh no, he's dead.
Yeah, I fucking shot him. We traded.
Oh, you died.
Doc,
We
the heck?
traded.
proceed with mission.
We traded.
What happened?
We traded.
Out?
He shot me, I shot him. We traded.
Disabling now. Leave the dog. Got
Doc
one down.
Dagobin, keep
Sit
moving.
down.
And that guy still sips them up when they're dead.
You might be playing. You never know.
True.
So now what? Am I done? Yep. I guess so, because we didn't arrest him.
Entry team, this is Doc. If any of you thought today went well, we'll need to schedule a visit with Doc. Situation diffused, head to debrief.
Oh, they're disappointed.
Yep, this is our worst mission.
How can you tell?
Sounded, you can tell, bro. He sounded disappointed. There's no civilians in that map, right? I don't think there was.
I don't think
I
there
don't like
was.
the Baltic pepper balls. They were all wearing gas masks. What useless in this game?
Here we go, Trap House Part 2.
Doc reporting. Negotiations have failed.
Excuse me, guys, send me a
Suspects are
shield.
well barricaded and if possibly
Alright, go ahead, Ro.
stay alert. Move in, remember your
You're
use
a
of force,
breacher.
and secure the
Oh,
area.
wait. Dude, this counters my fucking build, too. I can't breach anymore. Look at this shit.
What?
I can't breach the doors anymore. This counters my build.
What,
Oh.
the traps?
Because of the traps, yes. It fucked me over.
There's no trap here.
Somebody fucking follow me! Get down on the ground!
Turn around and
LSPD! Going up back the field! Drop your weapon now! What do you think is still matter?
raise your hands.
Lead, this is Doc. Trailers incoming.
I'm ready for what? Let me go and I'll just leave. We'll have another damage from me, I promise.
Element, this is Doc. Forensics notified.
Securing the trap.
I was starting to panic when you peeked that door. I was like, oh no. Don't blow me up.
I'm with the leader right now. You guys want to come down here, like try to
No.
fucking taste him?
Oh, you're in the basement, you said?
Yeah, I'm with the guy.
Disarming.
Just show my way. I think Ford just taking care of the last guy upstairs.
Yeah, I'm taking care of upstairs. I'm not seeing any guys. I'm just disarming a lot of bombs.
Never mind, then I guess it's just the basement guy. There's no one else.
You need a special tool for the bomb, right? That this door has a bomb.
No, you don't. Everybody has it. Oh!
Oh, this door has a bomb. Yeah, this is the guy we need. We can't kill him.
Kill you.
I'm trying to pepperball him in the.
I was trying to get the trap out of the way first.
Never seen it come here.
Oh my god!
What's he got, a
Watch out,
machine
he's
gun?
got
What
good
the
aim.
hell?
He's got good aim. Oh, he jumped out! He's on fire!
Oh!
How?
I don't know. He went outside though. How did he get out?
Doc to Element. Situation is diffused. With that
know.
said, there are no words for the display put on by this team
What the
today.
hell?
Absolutely
We got
abysmal.
run over at the end.
Oh man.
You died too, Ford?
Yeah!
He just came out of the room
Wall
and
bang.
grabbed
15
it.
hours. Oh my god. Yep.
We
And
both-
we're still going,
I
Salvino.
want to switch your loadout.
Thank you for